So today I'm going to be reacting to another, well actually no, this is my first reaction video, where I'm going to be reacting to earthquake magnitude power comparison. Of course, all of the credit goes to the creator, of course. So, I just watched the video, so, okay, let's do it. Okay, let's see what, can only be felt by humans. Oh, I don't even know what graphs. 1 million per year, only felt by very sensitive people, no damage to buildings. Oh, okay, that didn't seem so bad. Added to 3, it's 100,000 per year. Felt by some people, objects start to shake. Oh god. 10,000 per year. Magnitude 4. Felt by most people, objects displaced. Most recent magnitude earthquake. 4 magnitude earthquake, okay. United States, okay. Most recent 4.5 plus magnitude earthquake. Magnitude 5. 1,000 per year. Minor damages to weak buildings and furniture moved. Magnitude 4. There's 1,500 homeless. Into Italy. 100 per year. Severe damages to many buildings. Heavy furniture overturned. Caused 1 death and over $360 million in damage. That's a lot. That's actually a lot of buildings. Must be a lot of buildings destroyed. 2003 Bam earthquake. Date December 6, 2003. Magnitude 6. Okay. 3,000 deaths, 3,700. Can't read these. First major earthquake broadcasted on U.S. national TV. Earthquake caused an estimated $200 billion. United States. Many buildings collapsed or heavily damaged. Wires and pipe systems destroyed. Okay, this is pretty bad. 160,000 deaths and 250,000 houses destroyed. That's a lot of people in a lot of houses. Magnitude 7.2. On with the typhoon, the earthquake displaced 40,000 people for months. Okay, can't read that 'cause it's too small. Over 80,000 deaths and 2.8 million people displaced. Oh god. Producing the deadliest modern earthquake. Around 500,000 deaths. Jeez. 7. Okay, so this is all like the same thing. Magnitude 8. Jeez. 1 per year. Most buildings completely destroyed. Cars and structures flown around. Oh, what? By the way, guys, this kind of reminds me of Roblox. Play natural disaster survival. One was earthquake. Okay, that's 8.2, 8.6. Oh, now, look at those. Okay, all the way to 1. Look at how tiny it is. Now it's so big. Look how big that is. Magnitude 9. Look how big that is. So big. Costless earthquake. 203 billion. 15,000 deaths. Wow. Near total destruction. Everything flattened. Land topography currently altered. Chariot tsunami traveling all the way across the ocean. So this is all like stuff that did happen. Strongest earthquake recorded. Maybe there's something bigger than that. Man, look at that. No one even knows what it is. No earthquake never reached 10. Look at that. There's a far bigger. No way. No way can something be that big. No way. No. Don't do this. Don't do this to me. Don't. No. If it doesn't happen to 20, I'm going to be so angry. If I'm not angry, I'll be like, 13. I need it. Chicxulub impact earthquake. Date 65 million years ago. Magnitude 13. Yeah, the dinosaur extinction asteroid struck with an equivalent of a magnitude 13 megaquake, creating megaquakes, lava tsunamis, mega tsunamis, meteor showers, and super volcanic activities. Jeez. That's crazy. Well, that was the video. So hope if you want me to do more reaction videos, then please feel free to like if you want me to do more. Dislike if you don't want me. Actually, no. Just like if you want me to do more. Subscribe and comment down below what we should do next. And peace.